I didn't prepare anything. Actually, my name is Zul. I'm from KL. I just got back from rehearsal. I'm an artist manager for one of the local singer. So I invited my friend, makeup artist here, just to see you today. And then I was surprised because semua perempuan kat sini. So tadi ada nak lari dah. Lepas tu because ada janji dengan Kak Rohana. So that's why I'm here. Actually, I had a question, but then I just want to say that all this while I have been admiring and idolizing politicians, singers, you know. So first time in my life I admire somebody yang macam angkasawan. I never imagine that I would like macam I never imagine that there'll be I know lah someday ada angkasawan, but macam a model, a doctor, then become angkasawan inspires a lot of people, myself as well. So I want to congratulate you, and I, on behalf of other yang macam I'm only 28, so I'm now working myself because I believe like what you said, I trust what you said just now, like diversify what you can do, you can become anything, don't be stuck on one thing. I run my own business, I also do MC, I also do artist management and those kind of stuff. So that makes me macam idolize you lah. So I hope you will be the one selected for to be the first angkasawan of Malaysia. Congratulations so much. Thank you.